Euroclean iClean is a dry vacuum cleaner that's powered by cutting-edge III technology. It uses the corona discharge method to ionize nearby dust particles and other potential allergens. Enclosed in a sturdy metal body, it is ideal for everyday rugged use. Make the iClean stand on its rear and open the cover. Remove the plastic ring and insert the dust bag provided with the product. Before switching on the device, connect the hose pipe. To boot the device, switch the power on. It has a long cable for ease of use. Power the device on by pressing the on-off button. The power indicator will glow green. Press the orange button to switch the III mode on. It induces negative ions into the air that traps the dirt and settles them down, ensuring that the air you breathe is ultra clean. The dynamic slider control helps you adjust the suction as per your cleaning requirements. To use the blower accessories, attach the hose to the blower end. The carpet brush is used to suck dirt and dust from carpets effectively. It ensures the best cleaning of carpets. The floor brush is an accessory that can clean floors that contain dust particles and allergens. The crevice nozzle is used to remove dust from inaccessible spaces. It's used to remove dust from wall corners, sofa corners, and any other inaccessible areas. The flexible hose pipe is a primary accessory which can control the amount of suction with the help of these holes. With the grill cleaner, you can remove stubborn dust from between your grills easily. You can also use this to remove dirt from window ledges and sills. The atomizer can be effectively used to fumigate your cupboards and freshen your homes. All you have to do is load the atomizer with naphthalene balls and connect it to the blower end. It will diffuse naphthalene vapor to keep out stale odors and destructive pets. The all-surface cleaner is designed to keep hard-to-clean things spotlessly clean. It is used to clean curtains, hard surfaces, bed ledges, and mattresses. The Flexi Cleaner can be used to reach inaccessible places easily. It can clean shelf tops very effectively. The spray jar, when connected to the blower end, can help you water your plants. The Precision Cleaner is a multi-purpose blower accessory that helps fill balloons and blows dust and dirt from corners. The Car Wash Adapter is a blower accessory. It can be used to wash cars by attaching a pipe at the pipe nozzle. If the dirt bag is filled to capacity, the indicator turns red. This device boasts of a dust bag capacity of 3 liters. The auto cord winder mechanism ensures easy storage of the power cord. Let's make cleaning hassle-free. Eureka Forms. your friend for life.